Good evening. I am Mr. Bravo reporting for Global Face tonight. Tonight, we track a seismic shift unfolding above the peaks of Karakoram. A stealth alliance between China and Pakistan is rewriting their regional power map, one fifth generation fighter at a time. From a radar invading technology to real time satellite warfare, this is not just air power, it's strategic revolution. Let's drive in. The JF-35 Alpha shock wave. History was made in the high altitude skies of Gilgit-Baltistan. Pakistan pilots sitting side by side with their Chinese counterparts test flew the J-35 Alpha Grey Falcon before even China's own Air Force fielded it in active duty. That's not cooperation, it's fusion. This alter everything. China isn't just arming Pakistan, it's operationalizing it. Indian edge neutralized. No more Indian air superiority. For years, Indian Rafale acquisition was its ace. But the J-35 Alpha arrives in Pakistan and tear that edge apart. With the PL-35 eco missiles and the battlefield cloud sinking, Pakistan has just caught up and possibly surpassed. The Rafale advantage is obsolete, said by former Indian Air Marshal. Checkmate. CPEC 2.0 now under stealth cover. This is not just a new jet, it's a new doctrine. The CPEC corridor from Kashgar to Gwadar is now protected under stealth cover. Siachen, Galwan, and the Afghan route are all within range. Kabul, Beijing, Islamabad axis. Beijing hosted Taliban envoys. Islamabad welcomed a Chinese stealth jet. A new triangle is forming. Not ideological, but strategic. Kabul, strategic depth. Beijing, technical command. Islamabad, forward launching pad. Strategic access activated. Space as a new battlefield. China's satellite consultations are now feeding Pakistan real-time data. Intel once exclusive to West. This space feed air grid now monitors Indian movement in air, sea, and land. A 50% discount with 100% message. 30 stealth fighters at half the market rate. This isn't deal. It's a declaration. Pakistan is not a buyer, it's a frontline partner. First Muslim nuclear state with 5th gen stealth capability, the battlefield has a new script now. Global showroom Pakistan's new role. Pakistan is real world testing of Chinese weapons is going what no ad can do. It's proving performances in the hostile terrain. For nations rethinking the F-16 and Gripen, Islamabad is now the showroom. India's strategic crisis. Indian Rafale calculus is in crisis. The Afghan flank is lost. The Gilgit-Baltistan corridor is fortified and the Indian Ocean is watched from above. Will Delhi respond this realism or with rhetoric? That wraps up tonight's briefing on the global affair tonight. The skies above South Asia have changed, and with them the rules of the game. What's your take on this rising axis? Is India still in the race or watching from the sidelines? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and stay logged in with the Global Affairs Tonight. Until next time, I was your host, Mr. Bravo. Stay engaged, stay tuned, and of course, stay awake. Good night.